One of the things that I want to do is maybe someday learn a guitar, to play some music in the guitar. Binili ko to last month ata, or last month. And I was not able to do something about it, man. I've learned just a few chords, pero hindi pa rin ako ganun kagaling. When it comes to a lot of things, maraming basics or foundational things na pwedeng or kailangan mong aralin sa gitara. So ako wala pa ako dun sa point na, alam mo yun, kaya kong tumapos ng isang kanta. And to be honest, I doubt myself if can I really do that. And that's the question in my mind right now. And honestly, hindi ko rin naman siya nabibigyan ng oras. So I'll try to maybe every day 30 minutes to 1 hour. Pwede ako mag-practice, di ba? Pero yeah, I'm just learning by my own, YouTube and all that. Let's see what we can do, man. This is, I don't know what day it is, but hopefully this is day 1 for the consistency counter. Yeah, let's see if kaya akong gumawa ng kanta. Oops, spoiler alert. I want to make, but you know, paano yun kung di ka na marunong sa instrument, di ba? So you have to learn the instrument first before doing this dream of making a music. Yun ang tanong ko for today. Today is April 12, 2026. Just wanna record this and maybe in the future pwede kong balikan kung masasagot ko nga ba yung tanong ko, di ba? Yeah guys, I'll see you guys around. Peace out.